know the way.
I feel your works behind the bar on Friday night. She's the star and we love to watch her pour a drink and play air guitar. And Hamlet likes to quote Shakespeare, but I really don't think she cares. So he writes on a cocktail napkin when she's there. Ooh, sha-la-la, hey man. Ooh, sha-la-la, hey man. Yeah, Hamlet lives in an empty lot by the FDR, in a cardboard box, and it lights a fire in the sand and smokes his rock. Later on 3rd and C, Hamlet spouts his poetry and the Spanish girls dance.
Do you know the way? Take a ride on the bus.
On the bus today
To another time, where the street and the stars collide.
Sha-la-la, yeah. Well, there's a sadness in the streets at dawn. When the bars are closed, everyone's alone.